Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. If you are preparing for a Java interview, you came to the right place. Java is one of the most in-demand languages, and cracking a Java interview required more than just basic knowledge. You need a solid strategy for cracking Java interview questions. So in this playlist, you have a solid strategy of the Java interview questions. In this video, I will break down the ultimate roadmap for Java interview questions, from core Java concept to the advanced topics. By end of this video, you have clear paths to follow whether you are beginner or an experienced developer preparing for a Java interview. Let's dive right into it. Now let's discuss our Java interview question roadmap. So here we have designed several phases for the Java interview questions. On the phase first, we explore the fundamental interview questions of the Java. In this phase, we cover basic Java interview questions, data types and variables, conditional operators like if and while loop, functional programming which is introduced in Java 8 and onwards, Java date and time APIs, Java data structures, Java object oriented programming, Java interfaces and abstract classes, Java classes, and what is different between Java class and object. Java packages, what is the best practices to create Java packages. Finally, we explore the file and APIs related interview questions. Now let's move to the next phase, that is getting deeper. So in this phase, we explore the memory management of the Java interview questions. Java interview questions related to Java collection frameworks, serialization, network and socket APIs, Java JVM, garbage collection, basic and advanced Java threads interview questions. Now let's move to the next phase, that is build tool. So in this tool we explore several build tools and their related interview questions like Gradle, Maven, and what is different between all those build tools in Java. Now let's move to the next phase, that is web framework, right? So in this phase we explore the Java interview questions related to Spring, Spring Boot, Play framework, Spark, Quarkus. Now let's move to next phase, that is ORM. In this phase, we explored the interview questions related to Spring Data JPA, Hibernate, eBeans. Now let's move to next phase, that is logging frameworks. In this phase, we explore interview questions related to SLF4J logging, TinyLog. Right, let's move to the next phase, that is JDBC. Right, so in JDBC there is several sub chapters, JDBI 3 interview questions, JDBC template related interview questions. Now let's move to the final phase, that is testing your apps. In this phase, we explore several testing frameworks like Mocking and Mockito, and what is different between Mocky and Mockito, and also explore behavior testing like Cucumber JVM, Cox, and JB have. Here, we will also explore related to interview questions like unit testing, what is JUnit, what is test NG, and also we will discuss some integration testing related interview questions, right, like REST, assured, JMeters. And that's your complete roadmap for Java interview preparation. I will covering each topic in depth in this playlist. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Drop a comment and let me know which topic you want to me cover in next. Like this video if you found it helpful and see you next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.